Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Amazon Prime Video offline. You can use Amazon Prime Video offline, that is, download content using the Prime Video app on a compatible device like iOS, Android, or Fire Table and a Fire tablet. And you could also find the title you want to download. So for that, you need to get a subscription and open your Amazon Prime Video. So once you open up your Prime Video, what you need to do is click onto the profile initials and select the profile that you want to download it. Now let's say I'm going to download this particular show, right? So I need to click open that up, and here you'll be able to find this download or the downward arrow icon, which you need to press on it and it's going to download. So you could download up to a certain limit, and once you've done downloading, you click onto the profile initials, and here you can find the downloaded section and you could watch it offline as well. And this is the only feature that you'll be able to use your Amazon Prime Video offline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.